In 2025, slow cookers have evolved to meet the needs of modern kitchens, blending, convenience, versatility, and smart technology. Among these, the Crock-Pot brand continues to lead the way, offering reliable and user-friendly options that make meal prep easier than ever. Whether you're a busy professional, a home chef, or someone who just loves the comfort of a warm, home-cooked meal, finding the right Crock-Pot can transform the way you cook. This year's top Crock-Pot models stand out for their intuitive controls, programmable features, and stylish designs, making them as functional as they are attractive on your countertop. In this guide, we'll dive into the best Crock-Pot of 2025, highlighting its standout features, performance, and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Convert to Bangla. Brand Instant Pot, capacity 5.68 liters, material stainless steel, finish type stainless steel, product dimensions 12.2 inch x 13.38 w x 12.48 h, special feature programmable, wattage 1000 watts, item weight 11.8 pounds, control method touch, controller type push button, easy to use, easy to clean, fast, versatile, and convenient. The Instant Pot Duo is the one that started it all. It replaces 7 kitchen appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker warmer. With 13 built-in smart programs, cook your favorite dishes with the press of a button. The tri-ply, stainless steel inner pot offers quick, even heating performance. Redefine cooking and enjoy quick and easy meals anywhere, anytime. The Instant Pot Duo offers the quality, convenience and versatility you've come to expect from Instant. Discover amazing. Brand Crock-Pot, color black, material stainless steel, product dimensions 9.5 inch x 15.4 w x 15.3 h, capacity 8 quarts, wattage 1500 watts, item weight 6.5 kilograms, is dishwasher safe? Yes, voltage 110 volts, shape OVA. Enhance your cooking adventures with this 8-quart Crock-Pot, a large programmable slow cooker perfect for dinners, parties, or hosting holiday meals. Blending style with superior performance, the slow cooker features a black stainless steel finish that's not only elegant but also easy to maintain. Its size can comfortably accommodate meals for over 10 people. Featuring a digital timer that counts up to 20 hours of cooking time, it keeps food warm automatically after cooking. The package includes a book of classic Crock-Pot recipes for inspiration. Cleanup is a breeze with its removable, dishwasher-friendly lid and stoneware pot. Brand Crock-Pot, color stainless steel, material stainless steel, product dimension 17 inch x 11.8 w x 9.8 h, capacity 6 quarts, wattage 240 watts, item weight 11.9 pounds, is dishwasher safe? Yes, voltage 120 volts, shape oval. The Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook Carry Slow Cooker is your ideal kitchen companion for effortless and mess-free portable cooking. With its digital timer, secure locking lid, and the flexibility to serve more than 7 people, make your tailgating, potlucks, family gatherings, and parties hassle-free. Its temperature settings allow customization in cooking, shifting automatically to warm once the cooking completes. Safe for oven and microwave, this slow cooker also includes dishwasher-safe components, making cleaning a breeze. Food stays inside, you reach your destination without a worry, so every culinary journey will be a joy from start to finish. Save time when you go slow with the Healthy Cook Duo. This multi-purpose slow cooker has an easy-to-use non-stick pot you can pop out for quick searing and sautéing, then just return it to the base to keep cooking low and slow. It's the perfect way to infuse any meal with mouth-watering flavor. The extra deep 6 Cutie pot features our healthy ceramic non-stick coating for effortless cleanup and fantastic performance. It's also free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so everything you make will be a little healthier. The easy-to-use control panel has 5 cooking functions to perfect your meal, whether you want to delay the start for a few hours or program the Healthy Cook Duo for up to 10 hours. Once your meal is finished, this slow cooker switches to the warm mode to keep your food ready for up to 4 hours. The lid and pot are dishwasher safe to make cleanup easy. Brand BLACK+DECKER, color chalkboard surface, material stoneware, product dimensions 14.09 inch dx 17.32 wx 9.65 h, capacity 7 quarts, wattage 320 watts, item weight 6.64 kilograms, is dishwasher safe? Yes, voltage 110, shape oval. Personalize your favorite slow cooker meals with the BLACK+DECKER 7-quart chalkboard slow cooker. The exterior is a chalkboard surface that lets you get creative, label it for potluck dinners, write down recipes for easy meal prep, or draw on it to liven up your kitchen. It's all up to you. The 7-quart stoneware crock is perfect for roasts, soups, chilies, and so much more. Just add in the ingredients and let the low. 3 heat settings give you options to find the best temperature for your schedule: low for 8 to 9 hours of cooking, high for 3 to 4 hours, and warm for keeping food at the ideal serving temperature. Plus, this slow cooker is easy to clean thanks to the dishwasher-safe stoneware pot and tempered glass lid. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.